Hello guys. From the title you obviously know that I'll be getting coconut belt today. Early read by the way. No audio rip. So I just need 100 coconuts to get it. So I will be doing a sprout montage. Alright, now we have enough coconuts. Spends 2 minutes trying to get a screenshot. Yeah, I'm a Mac user if you saw that. Done. I don't macro, so I went early red. The silence was loud. $35B zone gear. Not arc scythe is better IMO. Yeah, I decided to get to extra, level 16 Bs. Hive reveal probably sucks. Take some inspiration if you want. But why is gifted commander B needed, but not gifted looker B? New music. Reading stats. To be honest with you, I don't have 40 coconuts, bro. I'm editing this video like 20 days. Later and the stats are okay, just not game changing, so whatever. Petal planter soon? Comparing to petal belt. Attack is nice IG. I don't know what to do. Would take 40 minutes though. Sorry, no more music, I ran out. So yeah, unfortunately I will not get coconut combo. It'll just take too long. But I hope you liked this video. Subscribe please.